Meet AI-powered Route Analyzer. Ever had a delivery frustrated by last-minute route changes or unexpected road closures? Keeping up with sudden changes is challenging, and it often comes with a costly price tag. AI Route Analyzer scans media in real time, pulling in the latest news and identifying road closures, and adjust your routes on Google Maps, saving you from costly delays. Want to double-check about news on a specific route? Just type in the road name, let's say Route 66, and in seconds, you'll get real-time updates from trusted media outlets. With real-time data analyzed, you can quickly replan routes, avoid blocked areas, and guarantee smooth delivery, even when things don't go as planned. And here's the best part: AI Route Analyzer isn't just efficient, it's cost-effective. Pay only for the AI analysis you use, just pennies per token, and save hundreds on reroutes. Take control of your deliveries with the AI Route Analyzer. Don't let roadblocks slow you down. Save your time, reduce costs, and make smarter decisions.